These are the most terrifying and creepy sounds of war. At number 5 we have C-Ram.
Incoming.
At number 4 we have the Trumpets of Jericho. This was the nickname given to the sound made by the Junkers Ju-87, otherwise known as the Stuka bomber. This aircraft had 2 sirens attached to the plane. Each time a Stuka began dive bombing, this sound punctured the air. And number 3 we have the F-16 Strafe Sound. This one simply sounds like something coming out of the 7th circle of hell. Yeah, I'm gonna play that one again. Now at number 2 we have the infamous A-10 Warthog. This is simply a gun with wings. I mean, just look at the size of that 30mm cannon. But without further ado,
They ain't alive no more.
but at number 1 we have the Avro Vulcan. This eerie howl is caused by air being sucked into the air intakes.